The day I decided to try the Ohuhu brush markers was one of the best decisions of my artistic career. As an aspiring illustrator, I had been searching for an affordable yet high-quality set of markers to add vibrancy and blendability to my drawings. When I came across the 216-color Ohuhu set, I was intrigued. The price seemed almost too good to be true for that many colors with dual brush and chisel tips. After eagerly awaiting their delivery, I carefully unpacked the markers from their protective case. I was immediately impressed by the brilliant rainbow of colors, neatly lined up and labeled for easy identification. Swatching the first few markers, I gasped in delight at how smoothly the colors blended together. The brush tip glided effortlessly across the page, allowing me to create fluid, calligraphic strokes. Prepared to really put them to the test, I sketched out the outline for a fantasy landscape scene. As I began coloring, I was amazed by how seamlessly the Ohuhu markers blended, no harsh edges or blotchiness like my old markers. The colors were so juicy and vibrant, bringing my illustration to life. I loved being able to easily switch between the brush tip for blending and wide chisel for filling in large areas. After completing my landscape scene, I knew these were my new favorite art supplies. The Ohuhu markers allow me to create professional quality artwork on a budget. The only limit now is my imagination. I can't wait to continue honing my skills with these high-performing, refillable markers. Thanks to Ohuhu, my dreams of being a full-time illustrator feel more achievable than ever.